hit somebody. Is that Camacho? El pendejo de Camacho ya llegó. Hijo de tu perra madre, güey.
Primero vinieron por mi hermano, bien agresivo.
Do they got somebody in the car?
You need to learn how to control your officers. They can be very aggressive in my house. This is why you guys look bad. This is why.
You want to laugh, Camacho? See that little smirk on your face? What's up with that? Piece of shit.
Oh, thanks. Hey, I'm glad you guys noticed it.
Hey, we'll give you our info after this. Fuck these guys. We've been following them all night. Piece of shit. Shut the fuck up. Put up some tape, bitch. Try it again.
Go back.
Put up some tape. Put up some tape. Put up some tape.
Yeah. You've already been given your warning to move back.
Is the tape up?
Have you been given a warning to move back?
What's your name and badge number?
Sergeant Oxinger, move back across the street. Hector,
Name and badge?
you're not. You're interfering.
Thank you, guys. I'm gonna be right here on the driveway. Here, G. You know where my house is at in case I gotta take the ride. These guys threatened to arrest me for interfering because I'm standing like a free American.
Lo agarraron bien feo allá.
Pero tienes las cámaras, ¿no?
Yeah, I have the cameras. And I asked them, les pregunté, ¿qué está pasando? Y callados. Todos ellos. Dicen, ¿qué está pasando? ¿Por qué están agarrando a mi hermano así? Y callados. Imagínate si le hubieran hecho algo aquí. Si ya ves cuánta cosa no se mira de las policías que están haciendo la gente inocente. Imagine your police officers would have beaten my brother for no reason. They were fighting him aggressively. What about if it would have been to that extent? You don't know. No, you don't know. You don't know what your officers are capable of.
Oh, I know what you're capable of.
No.
He's lying. What a liar.
Who got shot? Who got shot?
You think we're not gonna be afraid of you guys seeing all the shit that goes on?
You mean
Police shooting officers, police being.
Are you mocking her?
No, I just want the name of all your officers that were around.
I'll give you my name and back.
Te están hablando, Camacho.
All the names here.
I want the record of all the officers.
All right.
Ah, no. Que ya ves que esa era una...
Puedes escuchar bien, Camacho.
You could take your complaint, by the way, verbally.
We'll give you guys advice on how to file those complaints down at the department.
He could do it right now.
File paperwork too.
No.
Yo he venido aquí antes.
Well, I can do it here, Marco.
Camacho? You used to come here to buy drugs? Damn. Is that right, Camacho? You know what this area is known for, Camacho? You used to come here, huh?
Nomás no sabía qué onda porque el helicóptero andaba buscando a Ángel y estaba echando.
Yeah, right.
Pero ahí está bien, ¿no?
More cops. As if they don't have enough. Para que miren todo el dinero que se avientan aquí nomás parados.
Es que hay muchos mocositos de un parque que está allí. ¿Cómo saben que fue pollo? Pollo estaba ya pasado conmigo. Estábamos lavando y limpiando el cuarto.
Is this the same lady that when we pulled over? No? You sure? I think it is. Fool, this is the corner, my boy. Remember? She came up to some fool who was tagged and shit. He's throwing up apparently.
We were all inside the house. They were about to cut. We were cleaning inside. He was sitting down in the house. We just went outside right now to see what was going on. Barely right now, but dropped it.
So these officers got a little too happy.
¿Cómo está, señora?
Bien,
¿Bien?
hasta que me llamaron.
¿Dónde vive usted?
We
Aquí.
have to wait.
Oh, ya.
I'm the mom of it.
We're asleep at the middle of the intersection.
Ok.
Okay.
Buenas noches, señora.
My bad, my bad.
Gracias, señora.
Hey, Sarge. Yes, sir. I'd like to put a complaint on car number 845. The people in 845? They are impeding my First Amendment at another location, not here. Okay. And also failing to identify.
Failing to identify what?
Yes. As officers.
Oh, gotcha. When was this?
Es un puto Camacho. I'm glad you're the one covering this area, man. I'm pretty sure you know where I live. I'll be seeing you at Burger King, buddy. Burger King. What's up, piece of shit? Get another stupid haircut. Hey, don't talk to him, man. Don't talk to him on the way over there, man.
11 midnight. And your shirt was the guys in 845.